So you've been trying to eat better, cutting calories, and still feeling stuck, tired, and frustrated with your body, then this is for you. Hi, I'm Amy Powers, owner of Powers Performance Physical Therapy, athlete, expert nutrition coach, and founder of the Nutrition Optimization Program. I'm here to talk about macros, break it down for you real simple so you can understand how you're fueling your body. So what is a macro? Macro is short for macronutrient. It's either consisting of carbohydrates, proteins, or fats. They're not just numbers on a label, but they have a direct impact to how you look, feel, and recover day to day. Protein builds and maintains muscle. Carbohydrates fuel your movement, training, and brain. And fats help keep you satisfied and maintain your hormone levels. Okay, so real talk. If you're only counting calories and not understanding the balance between these three macronutrients, then you're missing the entire point. Counting calories just isn't enough. Here's what most people don't get. You can eat the same number of calories and get completely different results based on what those calories are made of. 1,600 calories of protein, veggies, and clean carbs, that fuels progress. 1,600 calories of processed snacks, wine, takeout, that leads to cravings, inflammation, and fat storage. So it's not just about eating less, it's about eating smart. All right, so I'm gonna wrap it up with the common mistakes that I see when people are trying to manage their macros. Number one, they don't eat enough protein. Number two, grazing all day with snacks instead of real meals. 3, under-eating during the day and then overeating at night. Number 4, training hard but not refueling properly. And number 5, letting the weekends sabotage your weekday effort. That's a big one. You can train like an athlete, but if you're not fueling like one, results will stall. So the best way to start, here's my foolproof way to start. Actually get started, no complicated apps, no tracking, stress. Eat a palm-sized portion of protein every meal. Build 80% of your diet from whole foods, minimally processed. Hydrate. Most people are walking around low energy and inflamed because they don't drink enough water. Plan your meals. Don't just wing it. And yes, tracking can be helpful, but use it to build awareness and not anxiety. Want my clean food list to make it simple? Shoot me a message and I'll send it to you. Why coaching actually matters though. This is where having a coach changes everything. You don't need more random information. You need structure, you need accountability, you need someone who's going to cut through that noise and give you what works for your body and your goals. That's what I do every day with my nutrition optimization clients. So if you're ready to stop guessing, stop starting over, and start eating like someone who takes their goals seriously, I'm here for it. Click the link, shoot me a message, or check out the Nutrition Optimization Program. Let's build something real.